everybody? Welcome to the kitchen. I am Sean and
Mimi.
And today we're going to be making some pizza. I'm super excited for this show, our new YouTube cooking channel, where Mimi's going to be teaching me recipes and how to make different things. And you guys are going to be following along, hopefully learning how to make some really good stuff you could implement into your own kitchen. So yeah, we're going to make pizza with what?
I think fresh tomatoes and mozzarella, you know, nice, simple.
Simple, it's perfect.
Okay.
So here we go, guys. Hope you enjoy. If you do enjoy, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ding the bell so you know every time we post a new recipe or whatever video. Let's roll the clip.
Let's go. We're gonna have some fun because Sean's gonna do the cooking, not me.
You nervous?
Not me. I'll be right next to you.
I'm nervous. I don't know what to do.
Start. Okay, Sean.
All right.
I want you to take 4 cups of flour.
You want me to take it or you to take it?
Put it right here.
Should we show them what we got or not?
Sure.
All right.
All-purpose flour. Try and get organic, guys.
Okay.
No. Make it nice and level. Shake it off in the bag. A little more. More.
Good, no?
A little more. I don't want dry dough. Okay. 4 of them. Too tall.
It's good?
Go ahead.
Ooh, good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, number 4.
Boom.
Okay. And put it away.
Where's?
In the fridge on the top shelf on the door.
All right, now what?
Okay. Now, I want you to get a tablespoon. I will get it for you. And I want you to get a tablespoon of salt right here.
Okay.
Put it in right down the left side there.
Oh, it spins. Look at that fancy little design there. Oh, that's the bottom. Oh, spinning on me. They can't even see my head.
Do it, Sean.
Hi.
That's a little too much.
Put it.
There you go.
Put it where?
Yeah, on the left there. Good.
Now 7 more.
No, that's it. And now I want you to take. Here.
You want me to
Hold
take?
that. And I will pour a tablespoon of sugar. So you have a tablespoon of salt.
And?
Tablespoon of sugar.
Oh. I didn't mean to turn it that much.
I wanted it to come on this side. Not near the salt because I like the yeast with the sugar, not with the salt.
I meant to pour it right here though.
But you didn't. Did you? Okay, now we threw in a package of yeast. Regular dry yeast.
Yeah.
Okay? So what we're going to do now is get some hot water, 1.5 cups of hot water, and a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. I want you to hold your hand over this and pulse it and get it kind of mixed up, okay?
Hold it down?
Yeah, hold your hand over it so you don't get, just pulse it. Yeah.
Just like that?
Yeah, a little longer, you know.
Hold it or no?
You can hold it, yeah.
I'm nervous.
Just do it. You're going to learn how to cook. Okay.
Good?
Yeah. Good.
Ah, you scared me.
Go ahead. Pulse it as you put in the water and the olive oil.
I'm doing it. The big leagues. Alright.
Hold it. That's it. Go ahead. 2 more.
I'm feeling real saucy here. Pulse it.
Once it starts to come together, get a little more hot water, honey. We need. we see it come together into a
How
ball.
about that?
Go ahead, put a little, just a little, not all that. Okay. Oh, see it come together in a ball? Dough is done. Okay, so we're taking the dough out. 4 cups of flour, don't forget. And a cup and a half of water. You didn't say that.
Right.
With a little bit of olive oil.
You were guiding this meditation, Meme.
Blame me, just because your head wasn't in it.
Get your head in the game.
Little olive oil in here.
Pat the pan.
So what we're going to do is, we're going to take this and we're going to put it in an oiled bowl and we're going to let it rest, okay, for about 2 hours. And then we'll be back.
Okay. We're actually going to sit here and stare at you for 2 hours, so enjoy that.
Sean!
Alright.
Are you crazy?
Alright, so it's been 2 hours. You're going to want to...
No, easy, gently.
Oh. It's nice and risen. A little bit.
Yeah, just kind of press it into the pan.
Can I do it?
Yes, you want to?
Yeah.
All right.
I got some confidence now. I learned how to salt the dough.
Stretch.
I assaulted it.
It's excellent.
Okay, can I...
Get on that side. Fingertips, press it out. So we did 3 small balls of fresh mozzarella. That should be enough. And I'm gonna have 2 nice big fresh tomatoes, almost 2. And I have some Parmesan and some Italian seasoning. We're gonna put some oregano on there.
You're going to want to...
And we're gonna get this pie together in a couple of
It's
minutes
going to be really
for
good.
you.
You're going to eat it? Going to digest it?
A little. Sean,
What?
your hands are clean?
Uh-huh.
So rub that olive oil in.
Now it's time to rub, okay? You want massage? Huh? Hey, Meme.
Yeah?
This dough is looking a little stressed out.
Never. Okay, that's good. And I want you to put it in your hands, and I want you to crush it, and then sprinkle it like that.
Crush it more?
Yeah, crush it between your 2 hands. That's it.
And sprinkle it?
Get the oils out.
And sprinkle it?
Uh-huh. Sprinkle it all around. Rub it all around into the dough. There you go.
My hands are kind of oily, so it's not
That's
really...
okay. You'll pat it. There you go. Pat.
Pat the dough?
Pat the dough like I pat the eggs.
Like you pat the eggs. We got an egg patter in here. The toilet roll. Or the paper towel roll.
Beautiful. You better get that camera out of my face.
Hey.
How's that looking?
Very good. It's looking beautiful, Meme. Absolutely stunning.
Now, actually, you guys could put any kind of vegetable on this that you want. You could do broccoli rabe, you could do spinach, you could do kale. I made
Do
one with
broccoli
kale.
rabe. You could do broccoli rabe.
I love broccoli rabe.
You could do broccoli rabe.
So now we're gonna grab some mutts. And you don't want to put it too close, you know.
Is that good?
That's beautiful, Sean. Great job.
Catch.
No.
Bing! How are the glasses staying on right now?
They never fall off.
She's got anti-gravity glasses.
I have a magnetic nose. Little olive oil.
The olive oil super soaker. Anna?
This is nice. I love this.
Oh, hey. You always squirt me with the olive oil.
Okay, Sean, now open up that oven. Get your eyebrows out of the way.
Woo, baby.
All right, pull out the pie. Now, let's see. Try and lift up the crust a little bit to check it out. Come on.
I am gonna lift it.
Try it with your thumb instead of with that radiation glove.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Oh my.
All right, put it back in. I'm just going to turn the broiler on for 2 minutes.
The broiler. Listen, I gotta let you guys in on a little secret. Mimi's really concerned about her knobber over here. This boy keeps falling off. And
Broke.
yeah, I noticed this little nipple, the little stove nipple, is just hanging out there, and she gets kind of concerned about it.
I hate the way it looks.
Hiya!
I like it.
I want aerial view on me. Hey!
Who are you, Mr. Queen?
Mimi! Mimi! Here we go.
I don't think you could do it with one hand.
How much you want to bet? Her piercing loud ringtone. Look at that. I dropped it.
Don't even kid around. Okay,
Huh!
close it.
Look at that. Would you look at it? Hey, look at it.
It's gorgeous. Good job, Shawnee.
Thank you. I had a good teacher, Mrs. Miyagi. Pick up the tomato. Put down the tomato. Pick it back up. Now slice it very thin.
Love it.
Gorgeous. Like this. Beautiful, man.
It is pretty.
That's mine. Mmm. Look at that. Beautiful. Gorgeous.
That it is, baby.
And guys, that is how you make some delicious pizza. Right, Meme?
Enjoy, babies.
Mmm.
Good?
So good.
Good job, Sean.
Thank you. Thank you, Ono. Mimi cut the pizza right now. Man, hope you guys enjoy this one. Thank you so much for watching. And Meme, we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one. Hopefully we'll get Sean's head in next time.
Peace.